the interior. It's got the keys out of it. It's like impeccable. Like this is insane. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. Got the keys. Oh yeah. We're ready. We're ready to start. I think we just press the brake, right? Oh yeah, nice. We are starting. There's sport mode, there's Eco Pro. I don't know what that button means. Yeah,
we have a lot of
errors,
codes and stuff.
light codes and stuff. How do I do this? There's probably a button that says.
Can you switch to drive? Is it drivable?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Just bring it in the. I don't know. You can go.
The hood's open.
How do you like driving BMW, Aaron?
It's pretty sweet. It's my first time driving.
You like it?
Yeah.
How's the interior? It looks good, eh?
It's really good. Yeah, it's like impeccable. It's insane. It's just a little like dirty.
Dirty, yeah.
But, like that's fine. Like everything else is like yeah, literally perfect. The rear view camera works perfectly fine.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, it's so clear too.
There's
Like,
no
look at
bumper
this.
in the back though, eh?
No.
Can you open the trunk? Are you in park? It's okay, I opened it. That's good. Let's see if we got a spare tire here. Oh, there's the rest for the. We got water, frozen water.
Sweet. My first
see.
giveaway is our frozen water.
Frozen water. Let's see if we have a spare tire here. Let's see. I don't know how to get to it. It's underneath. Nope. I don't know where it is.
Let's see.
No spare tire?
Oh, I just broke something.
Doesn't look okay.
Oh, it doesn't. What the heck? Oh, this would probably be where it is.
That's weird.
Oh, no spare tire. Got some Snickers.
Yeah.
Fine.
It's pretty dirty inside.